What is a resume summary statement?
A resume summary statement is a brief, powerful introduction at the top of your resume. It highlights your most relevant skills, experience, and achievements in 2 to 4 sentences. The summary's purpose is to quickly show employers why you're a strong candidate, helping your resume stand out in a crowded job market.
Why is a resume summary important?
Recruiters often spend just seconds reviewing each resume. A well-written summary grabs their attention right away, making them want to read more. It helps showcase your qualifications that best match the job and demonstrates your value immediately, setting the tone for the rest of your application.
What should a strong resume summary include?
A standout summary should include your job title, years of experience, key skills, and 1 or 2 notable achievements. Be specific, using numbers or results if possible. Tailor your summary to the position and employer, focusing on what makes you uniquely suited for the role.
How can you make your summary compelling?
Use concise, active language and focus on your most impressive qualifications. Avoid vague statements and generic buzzwords. Instead, highlight what sets you apart, such as specific expertise, industry certifications, or a track record of success. Always customize your summary for each job you apply to.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Avoid making your summary too long, too generic, or filled with cliches. Don't simply repeat your job duties from past roles. Instead, focus on your unique strengths and the value you bring. Remember, your goal is to spark interest and encourage recruiters to keep reading.
Quick tips for writing your resume summary.
Start by reviewing the job description, then match your strengths to the employer's needs. Keep it concise, 2 to 4 sentences. Use measurable achievements where possible, and always proofread for clarity and errors. This simple section can make a lasting impression and boost your chances of landing an interview.